Greetings, I'm Hans Ravi Arudas. My UEL number is U2640042 and my student ID is 2308055536. As a part of my MBA requirement, I will need to present on my research question, which is understanding the reliability and validity of technological innovation in shaping customer satisfaction in the F&B industry on robot-assisted services. This study investigates the validity and reliability of integrating robot-assisted services in the restaurant industry, exploring benefits, challenges, and customer perception. It synthesizes on literature on the adoption, impact, and challenges of robot-assisted services, considering factors such as customer expectations, cultural influences, and human-robot interactions. It is anticipated that by 2025, AI and robotics will profoundly influence the restaurant industry. Researchers suggest that AI robots can provide service quality compared to human staff, emphasizing on the perspective of service organization. Although technological progress has enabled robots to execute fundamental tasks as humans, substantial evidence indicates their inability to replicate essential aspects of the hospitality encounter. This research aims to investigate the validity and reliability of technological innovation, specifically in the integration of robot-assisted services in shaping customer satisfaction within the food and beverage industry. By focusing on the adoption and impact of robot-assisted services, this research aims to uncover the multifaceted ways in which these innovations influence reliability and customer satisfaction. Further, this research has been broken down into three specific research objectives. Objective number one, identify the benefits and challenges of integrating robot-assisted services in the F&B industry. Objective number two, examining the individual's perceptions regarding the utilization of robots in the food and beverage industry and the validity and reliability of employing robots within the F&B industry. And finally, assessing the impact of robot-assisted services on customer acceptance within the restaurant context, examining the overall dining experience. This research has focused on previous researches as it evolves around a secondary data research. Based on the literature review, we have broken it down into five primary categories, which is the importance of investigating, adoption of theories, benefits and challenges of robot-assisted services, customer acceptance and resistance with the limitations and future directions. The contemporary issues in this research problem primarily is the differences in adoption rates of robot-assisted services across cultures, challenges in robot integration, primarily into technical malfunctions and the inability to troubleshoot, and most importantly, the high cost associated with purchasing one and the associated cost of restaurant modifications as well as trainings. As for customer acceptance, the appearance of the robots makes a difference whether is it a humanoid robot or non-humanoid robot. Furthermore, the dining context, whether is this a solo client or a group. Perceptions on the automations, personalizations, efficiency, and accuracy plays a role. However, there's a limited understanding on the implementation on research methodologies, such as previous researchers focus solely on customer perceptions without adequately addressing the implementation process or considering the pre-consumption stages. Studies may have been narrow, lacking of representativeness due to sampling biases or limited data sources. The theoretical framework used in this research is social cognitive theory. which is to understand the customer acceptance of robot-assisted services in the restaurant industry. Furthermore, it has been broken down into three different factors: behavioral factor, personal factor, and social environmental factor. This research has integrated research methodology, which is an interpretivism approach, which is to investigate the reliability of this technology. Utilizing secondary data sources such as academic journals, industry reports, and online databases assisted this research. Furthermore, quantitative data analysis techniques such as Cronbach-Alpers test and Kaiser-Meyer-Olkins test has been also used to examine the validity and reliability. As for data analysis, a conceptual framework was used to guide interpreting the data by providing a theoretical context for understanding the findings on assessing the impact of robot-assisted services on customer acceptance within the restaurant context. Furthermore, perceptions towards the use of robots in food and beverage operations, customer experience satisfaction of robot-assisted services, which are qualitative data, has been represented in bar charts in this research poster. Delving into the findings of this research. Research question number 1. It is evident that service robots in restaurants has benefits where it provides a competitive edge and a distinctive experience to the diners. Furthermore, it also increases the operational efficiency and labor solutions. However, challenges persist, such as financial burden, as well as customer satisfaction and interaction. This is primarily due to the lack of human touch. Research question number 2, reliability findings. There has been a higher internal consistency based on Cronbach's test, which indicates on items such as appropriateness of the robot's perceived advantages and perceived robot's reliability. However, there's a moderate internal consistency on robot functionality and perceived robot disadvantages. Focusing on the validity findings by using the Kaiser-Meyer-Olkins test, there's a strong intervariable correlations on items such as the appropriateness of robot uses, perceived advantages. However, there's also a weaker correlations on the reliability of these robots, as well as functionality of these robots. For research question number 3, the study reveals a high levels of satisfaction among customers, which indicates overall customer finds the experience with robot-assisted services has been satisfactory. However, there are still room for improvement where there's a slightly lower agreement on the dining experience to make it more memorable and enjoyable for customers. It is evident that humanoid service robots are deemed more effective in customer service as they possess more human-like qualities. Carrying on with the conclusions, it is evident that robot-assisted services benefits the F&B business. However, challenges persist. This is due to the cost and technical malfunction. Customers have a positive perceptions towards this. Furthermore, the adoption of this integration traits influences by cultural differences. Overall, this robot-assisted services has a promising prospect. As for future recommendations, this research will suggest the future researcher to focus on several points. where historical researchers, where restaurants tend to benefit from prioritizing a more anthropomorphic AI service robots, which is to enhance the customer and robot interactions. Future research should also address the challenges facing robots, particularly ensuring food safety and quality, as it is a crucial factor influencing consumer decision-making. Additionally, investigating the impact on pre-consumption stages and understanding the customer's expectation can optimize technological innovation. This will be my research presentation. Thank you very much.